By the year 2030, millions of jobs may vanish, not because of war, not because of disaster, but because of code. Artificial intelligence is learning fast. It doesn't eat, it doesn't sleep, it just replaces. In this video, we'll explore 10 powerful AI tools quietly reshaping entire industries. Tools that are brilliant, terrifying, and already in use. You're watching The Front Engineer. Let's unmask the future. Enter ElevenLabs, an AI that can clone a voice in seconds. Combine it with Descript, and you get perfect podcasts, YouTube narrations, and customer service bots, all without a single breath of human air. Call centers, voice actors, radio hosts. They're already being outperformed by voices that never age, never sleep, and never get paid. Think programmers are safe? Think again. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Replit AI are changing the rules. Coders now type in plain English, and AI writes the code. Faster, cleaner, relentless. The irony? The machines replacing jobs are now replacing the people who built the machines. AI isn't trapped in screens. It's moving into factories, warehouses, even farms. Tesla bots walk. Boston Dynamics runs. AI-powered arms assemble faster than human hands. From Amazon's robotic sorters to fully automated McDonald's kitchens, labor is going digital. If you can repeat it, a robot can learn it. And once it learns, it never forgets. White-collar jobs are no longer untouchable. Tools like DoNotPay argue legal cases. Glass.Health drafts medical diagnoses. Bloomberg GPT analyzes markets and financial trends faster than any Wall Street analyst. These tools don't get tired. They don't blink. And they don't charge $300 per hour. What we've shown you are just 10 tools. But behind them are hundreds more. This isn't science fiction. This is now. The future doesn't wait. It updates. So, what do? Learn them. Master them. Build with them. Because those who ignore AI may be replaced by it. You've just seen the future. Don't fall behind. Subscribe to The Front Engineer and stay 10 steps ahead of the machines.